Hello dear subscribers. Today I will tell you how you can easily get the latest TWRP version for your phone. So for doing this you just need to go to Play Store and just write in Play Store TWRP. So just write here TWRP and here you will find official TWRP app. So just install it so it will successfully download and install it to your mobile phone. So after you can also open it. So sometimes I have this error, so I will delete it and just try again. So just uninstall. Yes, I want to uninstall and just open. Just open Play Store and just install it again. So let's try again because we're waiting too long for downloading. So after it will install, you just need to click here and select your device. So after you select your device, it will propose you to open link in browser, and it will open in browser the latest version of this TWRP, and you just download it and you will get the latest version for your mobile phone. So I will show you now how it works. So let's open this app. So just click on open. Just click I agree, retro. So now you just need to choose TWRP flash. So now you need to choose your device. For example, Telecom Pulse T-Tab, and just choose some firmware, and now you just here you can see that you will be redirected on download page. Click OK, and now it will open your browser and this link, and in this link you also choose download, and it will successfully download the latest firmware to your mobile phone. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.